Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you all something really new. As you guys always ask me about my daily body care routine, I thought of sharing with you what I use for my body on a daily basis. Are you guys ready? The Bath Store's body yogurts. So like you all, I have also tried brands out there in the market, but this particular brand, the Bath Store, caught my attention and I have already become a fan of theirs because unlike other brands, they do not have parabens, they are non-toxic, they do not have strong fragrance, they have very mild fragrance. Products are quite inexpensive and pocket friendly. Another best thing about the Bath Store products is that the products are manufactured in India. So yeah, body yogurts come in different fragrances. I have particularly these 4 fragrances to share with you. Love their fragrances. They are so soothing, very relaxing. The body yogurts are really good and they cleanses your body without any harmful filters. Amazing, right? I just love their fragrances. I just can't stop smelling the fragrance. Really good, guys. So here you go. Here are all the fragrances of body yogurt: mandarin orange, strawberry sparkle, Japanese cherry blossom, and French rose. Can you see guys how amazing the packaging is? It's very cute. And also guys, the products, the body yogurts actually are dermatologically tested. So if you're someone like me who has got sensitive skin, for them as well it's good news because this is not going to affect them in any way and this is rather going to soothe the skin. So guys, in case you're wondering how I use this product, so after I get out of the shower, I just lather myself with this product. This is so relaxing, so calming, and it has got a cooling sensation attached to it, and the moment I use it, it instantly hydrates my skin, it nourishes my skin. And when you have like so many amazing fragrances to choose from, then you just cannot stop pampering yourself with the body yogurt. So yeah, I'm totally in love, you guys, and I would highly recommend you all to go ahead and get your hands on at least one body yogurt, and I'm sure there won't be any turning back. Whenever I use it after taking a bath, it actually locks the moisture within my skin and it lasts throughout the day. The fragrance lasts throughout the day, I'm not kidding you guys, and also the moisturization and hydration. So it's amazing. A little goes a long way with this product. This increases or helps in maintaining the skin elasticity. How good is it, right? So it has got, we can say, anti-aging property attached to it. And also guys, I would recommend you all to apply it directly on your damp skin so that the fragrance, the natural fragrance kind of locks within your skin, and also the hydration kind of lasts throughout the day. So whenever you use this product, the body yogurt, after taking a bath, it instantly sinks right into your skin and kind of lasts throughout the day. So the Bath Store body yogurt with its calming scent leaves your skin soft, enveloped in moisture, and provides deep moisturization throughout the day. This has a premium non-greasy texture, as you can see, you guys. There, can you see the shine, which is light, creamy and fluffy. So if you all are wondering how to get your hands on this product, you can go to the link which I have shared down in the description box below, which is their website link, that is thebathstore.in. Go to their website and get your hands on this amazing body yogurt. If you ask me, there are other brands in the market, so why should anyone go for the Bath Store in particular? Their products are definitely cheaper than other body yogurts in the market. Their products are manufactured in India, and also guys, unlike other brands which have got some sort of chemicals or the other in their body yogurts, the Bath Store have all natural fragrance and chemical free products. And also guys, if I haven't mentioned before, all these fragrances which are so good, they are all natural fragrances. Bath Store products penetrates deep into the skin and it provides intense moisturization throughout the day. And since the product, the body yogurt, is so very lightweight, it doesn't feel like a different layer on your body when you apply it. You know, be it spring, be it summer, be it winter or monsoon, in all the seasons you are good to go with this amazing body yogurt by the Bath Store. What I love about the body yogurt is that it gives a very light and gentle skin nurturing treatment that gets easily absorbed in your skin. And like I mentioned, these products are dermatologically tested, hence safe for all skin types. These are also cruelty free and paraben free. The ingredients that these products have are glycerin, light liquid paraffin, white soft paraffin, stearic acid, cetyl alcohol, propylene glycol, isopropyl myristate, polysorbate 80, phenoxyethanol, triethanol amine, fragrance and dimineral water. You guys already have been impressed with this amazing product range. As you can tell, I am in love with these body yogurts. These melt in your skin like a dream. Highly recommend you all to go ahead and get your hands on at least one of the variants of your choice and give it a shot, and I'm sure you would fall in love with it. Stay tuned because I might be coming up with more videos on the Bath Store body yogurt. They might be coming out with more new fragrances in the body yogurt range. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. I love you all so much. Stay safe. I'll be back very soon with yet another interesting video. Mwah. Bye.